This video features standard and gourmet cooking steps for Singapore curry la mian. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current la mian is now sporting a brand new look. Explore our other flavors in the range. What's unique about our Singapore curry la mian is that it features non-fried, thick, round and straight noodles as good as handmade, with a smooth and firm noodle texture with good standing quality. Its soup base is made with cooking paste, not seasoning powder. Singapore curry la mian is a premium noodle dish served in an aromatic, smooth, rich and mild spicy gravy, infused with coconut milk that's good for creating gourmet meals. In this video, we will show you how to prepare the standard and gourmet versions in a few easy steps. Here's what you will need. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add premix and soup base into water. Mix well and bring to boil. Step 2. Add noodles and low boil for 7 minutes. Loosen the noodles and stir occasionally. And there you have it! Singapore curry la mian is ready to serve. Next, we will show you how to prepare gourmet Singapore curry la mian. Here's what you will need. These are some of the recommended ingredients to create a gourmet meal. You may also add ingredients of your choice. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Add premix and soup base into water. Mix well and bring to boil. Step 2. Add noodles and low boil for 7 minutes. Loosen the noodles and stir occasionally. Step 3. At the 5th minute, add sliced chicken, bean sprout, tau pok, fish cakes and cooked potatoes. And there you have it! Isn't it easy? You can now indulge or serve a delicious bowl of gourmet Singapore curry la mian anytime, anywhere. Check out our website for more cooking videos.